How to equip the tattoo machine? If the tattoo machine like this, you need to adjust it before using. Loosen the two screws. Next, let's adjust the contact screw. Make contact screw touch the spring like this. Twist the contact screw to 1.5 turns. Then check the contact screw whether you adjust it correctly. Press down the armature bar and the space here should be 2 to 3 meters. OK, now tighten all the screws. It's done. How to assemble the tattoo kit? Tighten the two screws with Allen key. Place a grommet into the eye loop on the needle bar. Make the needle go through the tube naturally. Please make sure the needle and tip size is matched. Insert tube into the hole and adjust the needle depth. After that, tighten tube vise clamp. Use the rubber bands to prevent the needle from shaking heavily, usually standard 2 loops. Connect power cord. Connect the tattoo machine to the clip cord. Insert clip cord and foot pedal correctly. Adjust the voltage to 5.8. By the way, 8 is the most. Press the foot pedal, machine is working. If it doesn't work, please try to adjust the contact screw again while stepping on the pedal.